Edward Law Committee. Edward Committee was set up in 1901. Edward Committee report was submitted in 1904. There were 3 members in Edward Law Committee. Members of Edward Law Committee were Edward Law, Duppernex, Nicholson. Imperial Committee on Cooperation. The year in which Imperial Committee on Cooperation appointed 1914 October 14. In which year the report was submitted by Imperial Committee on Cooperation? 1915. Who was the Secretary of Imperial Committee on Cooperation? Bank. Imperial Committee on Cooperation, also known as McLagan Committee. Which committee was appointed to review the cooperative movement in India? McLagan Committee warned hurried expansion of society, which is related to McLagan Committee. Recommendations of McLagan Committee: 1 man, 1 vote, 1 society, 1 village. Find out lack of education. Power of registrar increased. Formation of Apex Bank, Central Bank and Urban Cooperative Bank. Committee stressed moral value of cooperation. Royal Commission on Agriculture. The year in which Royal Commission on Agriculture appointed 1927. Report submitted by Royal Commission on Agriculture in 1928. Which authority was appointed Royal Commission on Agriculture? Government of India. Who was the chairman of Royal Commission on Agriculture? H. Calvert. If cooperation fail, there will fail the best hope of rural India. The quotation related to Royal Commission on Agriculture. Recommendations of Royal Commission on Agriculture are Single Purpose Society, Training to Staff, Formation of LMB, Regulated Market. Committee on Cooperative Progress. The year in which Committee on Cooperative Progress appointed 1928. In which year the report was submitted by Committee on Cooperative Progress? 1929. Who was the chairman of Committee on Cooperative Progress? Townsend. Which authority was appointed Committee on Cooperative Progress? Madras Government. Recommendations of Committee on Cooperative Progress are to start Central Organization of Land Mortgage Bank. Start Land Mortgage Bank in Madras. Primary Land Mortgage Bank shall not issue debenture. Agriculture Finance Committee. The year in which Agricultural Finance Committee appointed 1945. Who was the chairman of Agriculture Finance Committee? Gadgil. Recommendations of Agricultural Finance Committee are: small society is a problem. Government shall protect society from competition. Compulsory adjustment of debt and setting up of agricultural credit.